Nathan's Art with OCRV. It's been a while since we've done a shop tour and a video of the shop. We've been busy and a lot of things are happening. One of the highlights of our year, we're starting out the end of the year, we've acquired, worked real hard for this, and the Rivian Amazon account. These are the new Rivian electric Amazon delivery vehicles. Looking to have a great future with Amazon and Rivian on this program. They're developing these great electric vehicles, and we're just happy to be part of it. So let's just cruise around, show you a little bit of what we've been doing. Our Sprinter business has just gone wild. We've probably repaired 100 Sprinter vans in 2023. Collision business has been fantastic. Focusing on just helping the Sprinter community. There's not very many shops that have the proper equipment to repair these vehicles right. So we've probably got 15 or 20 on the property right now. A couple in process inside here. So we've got George down here. He creates his magic down here. It's real simple, but we build beautiful cabinets and furniture bases and all that for our interior remodel and custom jobs. One of our customers decided to turn his rig into a four-wheel drive, so he dug the four-wheel drive transfer case and transmission and front end off of another truck and installed it in this. And we put a new roof on it. The roof was history books, hit a big tree, tore it about. And now we're getting the whole interior back together. You can see we did a whole new headliner, wall panels, reconfigured the bathroom a little bit, rewire, replumb, and pretty cool project. This thing's gonna be neat. Little dune runner. We've put together a really neat little sheet metal fabrication shop. We've got hand press brakes. We just acquired this new 10-foot shear. Got a great 8-foot press brake, mills, lathes, fabrication tables, tubing benders, just anything that we want to fabricate, we do it here. It's just easier, keeps the cost down for our customer, and keeps the jobs moving a little faster. So this is a horse trailer that took a hit down the side and also around the other corner, and we've been tapping into this market. A lot of good guys in this horse racing and horse industry, and we've never really gone after that market, but trying to help that community as well, and we're reaching out to them and sponsoring a few little events here and there and building up that business. Back to these Amazon units. These are, they're all aluminum, so the vehicle's completely built out of aluminum shell, and so we've had to buy specialty equipment and tools for these units. You can see a roof hit, which is common on these. These guys run under stuff, and we've got one in the spray booth over here. We'll show you that. Here's a cool project. Man, what a bummer though. So we built this, this rig for a USC tailgate, good customer of ours, and we refit it with a LS motor and transmission, and lo and behold, we had a bad fan, cooling fan on it the first trip out, and the engine overheated. We've had to put a brand new engine in it. Warranty repair for us, but stand behind our job, and we're putting a motor in it for free. And you go here, we built this trailer ground up that they drag behind that trailer. This thing's cool. So it's got a double kegerator back there, cool bar that pulls out. This cage pulls out for all your tables and chairs and all your stuff. Barbecue's back in there. We do a lot of slide out repair. Anybody that owns an RV knows that slide outs can be, you know, a big problem on these. The upper frame broke on this one here, so we had to go in and weld new aluminum in, and now we're doing the body work to finish it up, and then we'll put the slide back in. So we'll reinforce it and make it stronger than it was, so won't have that problem again. But common problem with these things. Let's go see what's going on over in the paint shop. We can go in there and walk around. No one's spraying right now. So this is something you're not going to find at everybody's RV shop. This is a 70-foot heated downdraft spray booth. So we can do a quality repair and put you back on the road and put you back on the road right. And this is just one example. We didn't take any shortcuts building this facility. The guys have all the tools, all the equipment to do anything that needs to be done in regards to an RV. So over here, this is where all the paint gets mixed up, color matching, spray room. So here's our smaller heated downdraft. We built this for the sprinters and smaller Class C's and Class B RV units. So this is one of the new Amazon Rivian rigs. So you can see they just got done spraying this panel, and looks like we got a perfect color match there. And another high hit panel, and that's just what we're gonna experience. It looks like we've got some moldings down here that got damaged as well. So this is our first Rivian Prime van, and we're real happy to have this account. Very exciting for us. So you can see there's no shortage of work here at OCRV. Little fiberglass repair. Got Jose out here. He's been with me for years and years. He's an amazing fiberglass guy. He can reverse engineer fenders and panels. If we've got a panel that you cannot buy, a corner of this, he can take a pattern off this side and make a mold out of it and build a new part for you. So we just get it done, no messing around. See a little back door replacement here, rear corner, looks like 1, 2, 3 new back doors, and then we'll get that in the spray booth and paint that. Looks like, yeah, it looks like we stripped all the graphics off this thing and just painted it straight white for him. It's a cool thing to do to your old rig that got all chalked out, and you know, you don't want to spend a bunch of money putting a bunch of, you know, base coat, clear coat graphics and all that. This old country coach here looks like you got tire blowout there. So watch the age of your tires and replace your tires. Another Class C. See where they sectioned in this piece, and they'll be glassing this all back up. Got a rear end pit over here. Boy, we were busy. A lot of work going on here. Bag doors up on that coach. Cool project here. They're gonna do wine tours up in Temecula, so we just built out a cool interior in it. But George built some cool furniture for it. Looks like we got a sprinter done here, getting ready to wash it up and deliver it back. So as you can see, we've taken this facility in a couple years. We're 3.5 acres outside, 40,000 feet under roof, and we're packed. It's another great sprinter van. A lot of roof repair on these things, man. They seem to find parking garage. We got a great crew of guys that's doing a great job on these. So if you need sprinter repair, OCRV is the place to go. There isn't another shop. Beautiful December in Southern California. We'll walk inside. Well, they're putting up the Christmas tree. It's that time of year.
You're gonna take this one?
Yeah.
Well,
Wait, where's the oh, you got it.
say hi, Bonnie. Here's our little bullpen for sales and accounting people. Everybody's gone for the day. Little showroom area, customer waiting area. This is where we do our consulting for the interior remodels and refits. There's Jim in there writing, the master. And here's our parts room that just got flooded out. We had a 2.5-inch main line in the ceiling just burst and just flooded this whole area. It was just a mess. We're just trying to get it put back together. Little sewing room back here. No one's sewing right now. But... All right, so that's it for today. We'll shoot another video in a week or two. Thanks for all the business and all our customers. We appreciate it, and it's been a great 2023, and happy holidays to everybody, and thank you.